Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at a mall. I am at the VR Mall Anna Nagar and I'm not here for shopping. How I wish I could have, but I'm here to attend an event. I'm here to be a part of Khau Gali. The term Khau Gali reminds me of Mumbai and Delhi, where khao basically means treat yourself by eating and gully is a small lane. So basically, lip smacking dishes and flavors of the city is served and sold in a lane called Khau Gali. I'm here at the VR Mall for the first time and I just love the vibe of this place. The way it is built and the entire atmosphere is so good. I'm so tempted to shop now. This is their main entrance and it indeed is beautiful. Unfortunately, my mic fell in the car park and it stopped working, which is why I'm doing this video as a voiceover. So just near the entrance is where the Khau Gali is organized by the yellow door. Poor me, still figuring out what went wrong with my mic. This is the Burmese tea house stall which had both veg and non-vegetarian dishes and I loved their samosas. The chutney is so good. Binch Park was another stall with variety of popcorns with a lot of flavors and I was so surprised to see their biryani flavored popcorn and they call it biryani is baked. The quote on this fridge magnet is so apt for food bloggers. This stall had different varieties of snacks and beverages from Surat, Ahmedabad and other parts of Gujarat. All their famous dishes were served here. So ये पास्ता बॉईल करके कैसे बनाया?
ये स्टीम्ड है।
ओह,
और अपने पास सूरत का स्पेशल कोल्ड कोको है।
so ये सूरत बेस्ड स्टॉल है। ये चेन्नई
ऑल ओवर इंडिया बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स है। सब अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स है।
नो ये क्या है?
ये सूरत का स्पेशल कोल्ड कोको।
कोल्ड कोको।
या
ओके।
एंड रोस्टलूट जो है वो घर पे बनाया हुआ है। अपने पास ये गार्लिक ब्रेड्स भी है रेडी टू ईट। पारसी डायरीज के सब कुल्फीज है, वैराइटीज ऑफ कुल्फीज एंड अंदर एक्शन टेस्ट करिए दीदी।
Just you taste. That's garlic bread.
ओ ये बता गार्लिक ब्रेड क्या है?
Just shoot, no Vipul.
6 महीना तक इसको स्टोर कर सकते हो भाभी आप डीप फ्रिज में एंड जितना आपको चाहिए उतना आप बेक करना है इसको।
Foodaholic stall had authentic Delhi chole kulcha which is rare to find in Chennai. All the Chennaiites who have been missing the Das Prakash Hotel will definitely love this global desi cuisine stall because they offer the exact same taste of green peas masala and their chili cheese toast. So that's white butter, right?
Yeah, white butter.
Like how exactly they used to serve it in the
Same bread actually.
I'm going to try just the peas masala first. The bread used for green peas and cheese chili is very different than the regular one and it's exactly the same as they used to serve it in Das Prakash. This is definitely a must visit stall, guys, and one of my favorite. You will love the chaat items there, and they are very unique as they serve the plain white water pani puri, which is special from Bangarpet.
You're from Saukarpet.
Yeah. They are open.
It's unlike the regular pani puris. Bangarpet chaat never uses the potato filling in their chaat items. I will soon do a separate video covering the Bangarpet chaat with these people to tell you more about it.
That's all.
Okay.
Plain water.
Their masala puri is so different than what we've been used to. This is the second stall that I love the most, and every dish was served with so much love and warmth. I just love this stall, and the dishes were amazing. They had burgers, cheese toast, french fries, pizzas, cupcakes, cookies, and poddies and whatnot, and they were all delicious. The stall had authentic Bombay ka vada pav. The stall had varieties of dosas, and this charcoal one being the most unique.
This is chocolate dosa. Charcoal. Oh, अच्छा. Just plain, कोई stuffing नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Charcoal dosa. बता रही है ना. ये क्रिस्पी नहीं होगा. अरे एक मिनट भैया दिखाओ तो.
And here comes the last stall, and my most favorite. I totally loved this stall, not just because they were offering my favorite chai, but but also because they were so happy to greet and treat each customer that was passing by,
take a tour
and
of
they
the
were
place
burning
and I'll
their
come
hands
back.
on that hot tandoor. Still, they were serving each cup of chai with a lot of happiness, which was so good to see. So this video comes to an end with this chai stall, and I hope you will go and visit this place. It is happening just today and tomorrow, that is 20 it was from 26th to 28th, and today 27th I'll be uploading this video. So today and tomorrow 4 to 10 p.m. please do visit this place and encourage them.
Not an easy job.
It's happening at the VR Mall, as I said earlier, and organized by the Yellow Door. So please do visit them and do share your reviews and your experience with us. Now let me enjoy my cup of chai, and I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you.
It will be very hot, right? So I think I'll sit and take a sip. बैठ के पीते हैं.